Here's a quick way on how you can create a folder on your home screen and put apps into it to save yourself some space. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone. Let's do it. The fastest way around this is simply by finding the apps that you want to put together in that folder. So you'll start by long pressing one of them here. So maybe you want to put these here together, right? So you'll long press it. When you do this here, you'll notice the option to select right there. As you select that, you'll now notice that you'll see these little circles above every app, which will allow you to toggle them. Now, once you start to toggle them, basically you're saying to the phone that you want these apps that you have selected to enter into a folder. So once you've selected these apps here, and you can choose up to at least 12, or depending on the settings of the grid layout of the folder, you will now see the option here to create a folder to the top right. So once you select create folder, it's going to appear like this here. It's going to show you all the apps that you have selected into the folder. And where it says folder name, you can tap here and type in the name that you want it to be, okay? So you can just say Samsung stuff or whatever you want to call it, okay? Whatever the name of the folder is that you want. And then you can press done. And once you're done, if you back away here, you'll see the name of the folder here and that newly created folder that you created just now. Like and sub.